What's going on, everybody? We are back for another day full of adventure. Today we are going on a helicopter tour, no doors. I don't know what the hell this girl was thinking. Hopefully I'm strapped in super tight. We might be live streaming some of this on Twitch, but if you didn't happen to see that, you're watching here, so make sure to like and subscribe to see more of these. This is something me and Jenna want to start doing more, traveling, vlogging. So we're trying to get the hang of it. If it's a little rough, it's a little, new, bear with us, we'll figure it out. It's kind of awkward staring in the camera. There's no chat next to it. I don't know how to do that. We're learning. I'll see you guys in the next clip.
We're here. We landed.
Crab spider season, so.
Right.
All right.
Oh, there he is.
Crab spider right here.
Okay. There you go. What's up, dude?
Strawberry guava here. It's there's the fruit. It'll get bigger and kind of purple.
Is there like the markings on the tree? Like there's some have blue, some have pink. Does that mean anything?
No,
it's just kind of on there.
It means that
you're on the trail.
we keep remarking this because look at this thing.
It gets so overgrown.
Yeah, it's hard to see.
Yeah.
We're still hiking.
These things actually do have a little bit of serrated edge. It's,
Oh, okay.
It's
Good to know.
the
Like
hala,
prawn.
hala tree, la hala.
La hala.
And this is, they would weed these baskets and stuff.
Okay. Oh, this
Hala
is.
tree.
I know exactly.
People will say la hala, but it's.
There's one on the house we're staying at, right?
What do we say?
Oh man. Oh